Hi folks, in today's video tutorial I'm going to continue with the generative design and I'd like to show you how to work with the axis symmetry objects. I prepared some example of the wheel, and as we can see that over here has been created a few features as the base revolve feature, then additional extrude feature and some holes inside, and then finally the final preserve geometry. As you can see, I used also the bodies modeling, so we have had the preserve output, the starting geometry, and preserve the inside body. Yeah, so we can simply to say if the geometry is ready, we can jump in the application and generative design, and what we would like to do is define the starting geometry. So we would like to specify the starting geometry. If you select the proper name of the bodies, is really easy for selection. If the object is selected, then you are able to use the preserve geometry, and we would like to use the preserve geometry for these two objects, and we can confirm simple to OK. The next step is definition of the constraint. As spoken last time in the previous tutorial, you are able to work with the fixed constraint, displacement, planar, cylindrical and ball constraints, or you are also specify the loads as a force, moment, pressure, bearing and all others. Yes, so please specify all necessary the constraints and definition, and now we are able to jump to the design criteria. If what we would like to do, we would like to limit the volume. So for example, we would like to limit volume for 30%, and today as spoken, I'd like to focus on the design constraint, and we would like to specify the symmetry, and the symmetry will be not around the planar surface but will be as the rotational symmetry around the axis. System asks you please select the axis, so we can simply switch on the axis and select the axis, and then you are able to specify how many instances you would like to create, so for example to 5. For the quick validation, we are able to confirm OK, and we can run optimization. Final geometry is created, and maybe you would like to add some more design criteria, so you can edit the existing one by selection and definition. And for example, we would like to add additional constraint, and we would like to, for example, work with the controls of the spreading of the material, and for example you can choose as the, for example, 78 spreading definition or more. Yeah, it's up to you. It's really about the quality of the model and the different results. So please try, and also maybe it's possible to specify the minimum crease radius, and you would like to specify which radius is defined and what is the size. So for example, for me, I will choose 8 millimeters, and we can run optimization once again, and let's see what will be the results. We can again edit the design criteria, so we can select the definition. You can add more instances, maybe you can delete the dimensions, or you are able to change the spreading parameters to, for example, 70. So different results will be made, and you can run optimization again. If you are satisfied with your final geometry, you can check the display simulation results. Yep, and system will show you the necessary information for you and for future calculation by Creo Simulate, for example, or you are able to generate the final design, and we would like to create as the new part, and we can, for example, use the reconstruction and specify the resolution level. Yeah, so it's up to you what the data quality you would like to get, and also maybe you are able to copy only result geometry if necessary. Yeah, so simple, push the button generate, specify the name, your geometry is finished, and you can rebuild the shape to final goal and final result and finish your 3D model and analyze maybe with the Creo Simulate. In this video tutorial we have been spoken about the design constraint for the generative design, how to specify symmetry axis and how many instances you would like to specify, and how to work with additional goals and setup for the rotational geometry. Thanks for the request, questions, and stay tuned. Bye bye.